Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Rising Star. Today we will learn about EVS 2 Chapter 6 Stone Age Tools of Standard 5th. This chapter is divided into two parts. First, types and form of tools according to the type of task, and second, Stone Age tools. Today we will learn about types and form of tools according to the type of task. For example, if we saw a shiny object buried in the ground, we would scrape it out with our finger. If that did not work, we might try to dig out with a stick. If that do not work, we would have to look a pointed stone that should do our work. But if it is still, then we would have to get an iron rod to dig that shiny object out. This shows that we need to choose the tools like finger, stick, pointed stone, iron rod according to the demand of the task. The following four factors determine our choice of tools: availability of resources, minimal use of time and energy, maximum efficiency, skill of handling tool which is acquired through practice. Now let's see tools made by Stone Age man from stones or bone. First, chopper made from pebbles. Second, scraper. Third, circular hammer. Fourth, chopper made from a flake of stone. Fifth, borer made from a bone. Sixth, an antler used as a pick. We belong from a kingdom of apes. Apes like the chimpanzee also use stone to break seeds and nuts. They use stick to stir out ant hill to catch them. Human too have always been using tools like bone, dry twigs and stone as tool. And by using all these tools and all, he has used he has used to learn the things very nicely. Human beings learn to use this tool by minute observation, experimentation, and their inborn imagination. They also learned that they could give this object any shape they desired. In the previous lesson, we saw Stone Age tools were found with the remain of Homo habilis, as well as we have seen the different stages of man: Homo habilis, Homo erectus, Homo neanderthalis, Homo sapiens, Homo sapiens sapiens. Tools made by humans thousands of years ago. Only the stone tools can found today. Bone are rarely found. We do not find any tools made from them. Let's see some examples. You may use in a day-to-day life like hammer, axe, knife, tools which is made up of metal or stone and wood. Children are using a batchkey and peoples are using for martial art tools that is also made from a metal and a wood. Tools made from dry sticks like brooms which we use to clean our house. So this is all what we are using in a day-to-day life. This shows that belonging from the family of the apes. So the reason we are using today also these all things. In today's section, hope you have learned new things about Stone Age man too. If it is really a helpful information to you, then please like and subscribe my channel for new upcoming learning videos. Thank you.